Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by connecting an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner to the Mirage G-Force port. This tells you the exact trouble codes and why the check engine light is on. Once done, write down the codes and any freeze-frame data so you can track progress. Next, inspect obvious items, gas cap tightness and visual vacuum, or wiring issues near the intake. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection and keep the engine at normal operating temperature before proceeding. Once you have codes, narrow the fault by checking high-probability parts first. A loose gas cap, damaged intake hoses, or fouled spark plugs often trigger the light. You should use live data on the scanner to watch short-term fuel trims and O2 sensor responses while revving the engine. This shows if the engine is running rich or lean and why. If a sensor reading looks abnormal, test wiring and connectors before swapping parts, because connectors and grounds commonly cause false errors. After fixing the suspected issue, replace the faulty component, then clear the codes and run a proper drive cycle to let the car's computer reevaluate sensors. Make sure to drive varied conditions, city and highway, so monitors complete their tests. If the check engine light returns, rescan immediately and compare new codes to your original notes to avoid chasing unrelated faults. If the problem is intermittent, inspect wiring harnesses and engine grounds. Wiggle harnesses while monitoring live data to find hidden breaks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.